Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is a Hermès handbag unboxing. Yes, you heard that right. We're doing an unboxing of a Hermès handbag that I got from Mother's Day. If you're interested in this video, stay tuned.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, baby.
Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, I am a mother of two. I do Mommy Monday videos, I do hair tutorials, and I do luxury videos as well. If that's something that interests you, definitely subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And definitely hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all my posts here on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me guys on Instagram. It's the same, For the Love of Jessica. I post there pretty much every day. You can stay connected. We can get a little bit more, closer on Instagram, because I do let you guys a little bit more into my like day-to-day life with my children. And so yeah guys, if you ready for this video, let's get into it. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you some footage of me in the store. This has been a bag that's been on my list for like, I would say a year now. I have a video where I did my wish list. I think I listed that in my handbag collection video, and I just let you guys know what bags are on my radar. Hopefully I was going to get this year, and I recorded that video. I'll definitely list it in the cards and maybe down below in the description bar. But yeah, so this bag, I finally got it. My name has been on the list for a while in Manhattan, and they finally called me, which was really great because it's near Mother's Day, so I had an excuse to tell my husband that, yay, I knew I had to get this bag. So much stuff has been going around about the brand Hermès, right now, these days, that, yeah guys, this is it. So much stuff has been going around, so much talk about the brand. And, it's one of those things where if you love it, you love it. If you're not going to play the game, then it's like, whatever. And just to give you guys a little backstory, for me, honestly, I love getting something that no one else really have. I love getting that piece that's like that hidden, kind of hidden gem, and especially like in my video about my Hermès watch and how I got this on the pre-loved market and how I was able to go into the store and get extra links put in, and just talking to the watch specialist, and how they were telling me that I really looked up on this piece. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll have that listed as well. My channel mainly is about really finding deals, getting pieces that are really great, investment, getting pieces that, are going to break the bank. Comes in 2 different sizes, so I'm going to get more into that, but let's get into the unboxing, guys.
You now would know what the future bring, all the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Too much, got a policy, didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me, if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess.
Alright guys, so this is it. It's so funny because the straps and the handle is wrapped in plastic, and typically if you see that from a bag wrapped in plastic, it screams like fake. But I talked to the sales associate who was really nice. It was so funny because I called and tried to make an appointment to come and get the bag, which was really funny. They called me, they said, hey, we have the bag, but you still have to make an appointment. And he accommodated me because I was like, okay, I'm in Jersey, so I need to come in today. This is my only time. My kids are in daycare. And he let me come in like within like an hour, which was really great. And I asked him because the plastic was on the handle, and they just said because the leather is just, I wouldn't say delicate, but they just try to make sure that no oil or handprint to get on the leather, that they just wrap it in the plastic. So, hey, but it's really easy to take off. I thought I would need my scissors, but you just basically take the leather off like this. The plastic off. All right, guys. So that's it. It comes with this it comes with a shoulder strap, and it comes with a top handle. I love it. Oh my God, guys, this is so beautiful. I was interested in either a black or a red, and I recently saw that they launched this year with gold hardware, but taking that majority like the jewelry that I wear in silver, I think this looks really beautiful. I love it so much. Just to give you a little backstory about this bag, the bottom part is canvas. This particular style is in the Cellier. I'm not French, so excuse me if I pronounce that wrong. As far as with the stitching on the outside, it does come in another style that's a little bit more relaxed, where the stitching is on the inside of the bag. It's a little bit more poofy. I wanted something that's a little more structured, just in case I want to take it to work. This one is the reason why I was on a wait list for, it was like maybe 6 months. I was on the wait list because I did it during quarantine last year. And this one a lot of people were interested in because it is a canvas, but it has a coating which is waterproof. And so a lot of people were interested in this one because, to be honest, this canvas is already a durable fabric already, but just with the coating over it, you can be in rain, you don't have to worry. It's just really beautiful. And having kids, I wanted something where I didn't have to worry about it. You know, with leathers and stuff like that, you know, day to day, I don't want to have to really baby my bag when I already have 2 babies. You know, it's, you spend your money, you want to get your wear out of it. And that's the type of life I'm about. I'm about buying something, wearing it, getting my wear out of it, and not sitting up and having to worry in the back of my head. I don't want to spend my money and then be stressed about it, you know? And so I'm very happy with the way it looked, because when the guy brought it from the back, I had never seen it in person. I only saw it on like pictures and different videos here on YouTube. There's another YouTuber that talked about it. I'll have her page like listed below, which was like the real selling point for me. And she got the same exact one. I love the back with the two-tone. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And you able to put your lock right here, which it comes. So guys, I'm gonna show you exactly, basically, to open the bag, these 2 straps here. And you want to know something? There's so much, like, I don't know, I wouldn't say backlash, but just things about this bag in particular that I really don't see that many people talking about. You know, everyone's talking about the Kelly, the Birkin, you know, yeah, okay. But there's so much more with the brand, and, you know, the savoir-faire of the brand, you know, is about. And I was talking to the essay, and he was telling me that, yeah, because everyone says that this is kind of like the Kelly's like cousin or like sister. But the her bag is more for the Hermes lover, the person who, you know, isn't really interested in like a trend piece, but this is called kind of like the vacation Kelly. This is more like the, they call it like the country Kelly, someone who, you know, just going on vacation, or they're spending their summers in the country and stuff, and they don't really want to carry their leather pieces and, you know, have to worry about that, you know, which Hermes is known for their wonderful leathers, but, you know, all that money spent, you don't have to worry about it. And that I'm not going to have to worry about with this piece. So yeah, the top part, it comes with this little plastic here over the leather. You're able to take off the strap and just carry a top handle. I saw one girl, oh my gosh, she took her leather strap off and she put a chain on it. So that's something that's interesting. I'm all about that life and, you know, really just making something like brand new and adding your own personality. Guys, I'm gonna show you what's really special about this bag. You could take the bottom off and turn it inside out. Yes, bitch. I said you can take this bag and turn it inside out. And we have black here. Once you turn it inside out, you have this canvas that's on the inside, on the outside. And I'm gonna show you what that look like.
I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Wanna go back in time when everything seems so clear and when the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much. Got a policy. Didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Wanna go back in time when everything seems so clear and when the problems we carried.
This is my type of bag. This is my type of piece where I could just really just, you know, change it up. It just is kind of low key. It's that if you know it, you know it, you know, kind of like my go yard type of bag, you know. I love this and it doesn't scream Hermès. you know? And it's one of those pieces where you get the side eye from somebody who know it and they're just like, okay, I see you, sis. Yes. Yeah, that's so pretty. Look at that. You get the lock, you get the key, and I just, man, this is such a beautiful piece. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you really like this bag. It comes in so many different colors. I'm gonna have those like shown here for you guys. A few pictures, different colors, blue.
Been thinking I would know what the future bring, all the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me.
Guys, thank you so much and have a great day.